Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the candy cane fans in Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can get the candy cane fans. You can go to the Christmas shop right here and buy the Christmas present. Okay, and you will have 5% possibility or chance to get the candy cane fans. And this is a cosmetic, guys. I thought that this is a fan skin, but apparently it's not. And you can get the fans from your cosmetic inventory. Okay. I have already placed this candy cane fans on my garden. This one, guys, this is how the fence looks like. And wait, let me remove it, and I'm going to move it right here. So to use this fence, you need to go to your cosmetic inventory and you can place this fence on your garden like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and use the candy cane fans in Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.